Your zodiac sign is a bird. Aries. Falcon, bold, fast, and always first to the sky. Taurus. Dove, peaceful, grounded, and symbol of calm. Gemini. Parakeet, social, colorful, and always chattering. Cancer. Swan, emotional, elegant, and deeply attached. Leo. Peacock, proud, radiant, and built to be seen. Virgo. Owl, wise, observant, and organized in the dark. Libra. Lovebird, charming, affectionate, and always in pairs. Scorpio. Raven, mysterious, strategic, and powerful. Sagittarius. Eagle, adventurous, far-seeing, and fiercely independent. Capricorn. Crane, graceful, determined, and steady in flight. Aquarius. Hummingbird, unique, energetic, and strangely magical. Pisces. Nightingale, soulful, dreamy, and sings from the heart. Touch the like button if you agree, and subscribe for more zodiac fun, powered by AI.